Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing a BedRug VanRug for the Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase. This is part number VRTC14L. Let's get into it. So this is how this ships to you in a long box here, and despite how big this package is, it's super lightweight. I read the label and it says 8 pounds, but it does not feel like 8 pounds. And that's the nice thing about the BedRug VanRug, or even the Van Tread, is that it ships rolled up in a box like this, super lightweight. Some of the floors that you can get for the cargo van in the Ford Transit Connect, or even larger cargo vans, is they have to ship on a pallet, which means you're talking LTL freight shipping, which is $150 to $400. And so this can just ship FedEx, UPS, whatever, mail, US mail, I think, will even ship this. And so you're gonna save a lot there on shipping. It's super lightweight. So let's figure out a good way to open this thing. Let's see what we got inside. So the VanRug is kind of like a carpet material. And if you're familiar with BedRug, they probably are most well known for their pickup truck products. They make a bed liner as well as like a bed mat for pickup truck beds. And it's a great product. Oh, look at that. It's way down in here. It's not even this long. All right, so rolled up here, oops. You can see we've got our VanRug product. And as I roll this out, this is the bottom of the mat, or of the, what would you call this, a mat, a floor. And this is like a foam on the bottom. Probably about half to 2/3 of the overall thickness of this is a foam material. And then you've got like this carpet material on top. So if I flip this around, shoot. This almost looks like your, almost like a trunk liner, or even a floor carpet material. Not a whole lot of, you know, what do they call that? Little threads that like come out of carpet. It's just kind of a nice heathered gray-ish black. I'd say there's probably more gray in here than there is black, but definitely has that black tone to it. But you can see just how this is cut. Like, this is going around the wheel well, the inside. I'm assuming this is the rear of the van. And as we get up here towards, this would be where the doors are. And there's little cutouts in here. Can you see them from this side? Doesn't look like you can see the cutouts from this side. Yeah. There's little cutouts right here. So inside the Transit Connect, there's little D-rings, and you know, so you can cut these out. And it looks like they didn't. You can kind of see a cutout here in the carpet area. So you know, this is just a nice product. It's a simple product. It's going to be your lower end basic products, a couple $100. Let's just get a couple measurements here since we got this thing. And you know, overall thickness of this is, what is that? It's about 1/2 inch total. And of that, about, I'd say 0.4 inches of the 0.5 inch is just in the foam. And so you got a little bit of protection there. The nice thing about this is it's made out of plastic, actually. It looks like it's some type of fiber, but it's actually made out of plastic. And which means it's not gonna stain or absorb oil and different things like that. You can literally take this thing out, power wash it, hose it all out, and it's not gonna mildew or mold or anything like that. So this has a lifetime warranty on it. It's made in the USA, another made in USA product that we've got here. And you know, it's kind of cut precisely to fit in the back of the van there. There's not gonna be any trimming or anything you're gonna have to do to get this thing to fit. You know, again, this is a a big product, but it's lightweight. You know, there's a 1/2 inch of thickness in here, so it's gonna protect the, you know, the bottom of the van. You know, if you took, you know, a big piece of steel or something like that and dropped it, you know, it might damage this, it might damage the floor underneath it because it's not a rigid floor. But, you know, this is gonna give you kind of that basic level protection that you need in the back of the van. And so this is all that comes in the box. This is giant van rug. And so installation is gonna be super simple. You're gonna take the vinyl floor out of the back, you're gonna put this thing in its place. And yeah, this is what we got for the BedRug VanRug for the Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase. I don't believe they make one for the short wheelbase as of this time. They also have the VanRug, or this is the VanRug. They also have the Van Tread product, which is going to be pretty similar to this. But this is more that fiber, carpety kind of feel, super soft. So if you're looking for this product or any other equipment to upfit your van to make it work ready, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name's Ryan, and have a good one.